Aloha everyone and welcome back to Honolulu. My name is Ashley Murray, your favorite real estate agent, and I am here to bring you a message of hope. During this coronavirus, there's been a lot of craziness, a lot of things changing. However, there's no need to worry. The real estate market is still alive and people are only getting more creative. People are always going to need a place to live and people are always going to need to sell their homes. So, in respect of no contact, real estate agents are getting creative by doing virtual open homes so they can just go into any home that you would like a private showing for or would normally just go to the open house, but they will be able to go and do a 360 tour at the property via FaceTime, Google Hangouts, or another platform. It's so easy and they'll be able to do dimensions, measure things for you, show you all kinds of things in person as if you were there. Anytime you see any property, just go ahead and reach out to your real estate agent or your favorite real estate agent and we'll be more than happy to go. So, another piece of advice, if you are, say, a seller in this market selling, because the jumbo loans have been recently constricted, the best option would be to do seller financing. If the buyer is deemed worthy of their credit, then you could also do the same thing that a bank would do and have a loan on their home. So you would hold it and then you would also still be able to take care of everything judicially. Say if you were to get in any trouble, it would hold up in court, those kinds of things. I would also always suggest use a real estate agent and a lawyer, just so you have some kind of medium in between your mediation, arbitration, any kind of legalities that may come up. You're always going to want that umbrella of coverage. All right, so next piece of advice for changing in the marketplace as far as COVID goes, I definitely want to say that buyers are still buying. Just recently, literally recently have been putting in offers for exactly list price. People are still wanting to get the home that they want to get. So whether you're a buyer or you're a seller, the market really is still alive. There are sellers who are giving extra things in order to help with concessions, extra time, more favored terms and conditions. There is a newly added coronavirus addendum that we as Keller Williams agents, I'm a Keller Williams agent, we've added to our purchase contracts that in case any hardship does arise because of coronavirus, that you would either get an extension on your purchase contract when you're trying to buy a home, and or that you would be able to cancel if, say, things fell through, like you lost your job or you all of a sudden just had some kind of life-changing thing that would prevent you from moving forward. It's totally okay. You get all of your deposit back and all is safe. We want you to take care, stay indoors, and please take care at this time. If you want or need anything as far as information on properties, real estate, tours, private showings, please reach out. My information will be in the comments below. I'm here to serve my local Honolulu marketplace and help with anyone in the world who ever has any real estate questions. This is my favorite topic, so please reach out to me. Again, I am always here to help and serve you. So thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you all soon. Mahalo!